In this video, we are going to look at Hofmann's rearrangement elimination reaction to produce tertiary amines. The principle states that when you have a primary amine and you add an alkyl halide in excess to it, there is going to be an excessive reaction to produce an ammonium ion. When you add the ammonium ion to a silver oxide, there is going to be an E2 elimination reaction to produce an alkene and the corresponding tertiary amine. So basically, when you have an amine like this in an alkyl halide, let's say this, there's going to be generation of secondary amine. This nitrogen will bond with the alkyl portion of the alkyl halide. You are going to generate a secondary amine with one hydrogen. Next, if you add another alkyl halide to this compound, you are going to generate a tertiary amine. Once again, when you add another alkyl halide to this, you are going to generate an ammonium ion. This is an ammonium ion with plus charge. So when there's a reaction between a primary amine and an alkyl halide, you are going to generate secondary amine. Then further addition of another alkyl halide will give you tertiary. Then addition will give you an ammonium ion. So this is the basic principle of Hofmann's rearrangement reaction to produce tertiary amines. So let's take a practical example. Let's say we have this. As our primary amine. Then we add 3 moles of methyl iodide to this compound. 3 moles. It means you are going to generate an ammonium ion as we did here. With a plus charge. When you get here, Hofmann's rearrangement elimination reaction is saying that when you have an ammonium ion and you add silver oxide in water followed by heating, there is going to be an E2 elimination reaction where this terminal ammonium will clip off so that we generate a double bond between this carbon and this carbon. So this is going to give us plus the ammonium, the tertiary amine, so basically this is the mechanism of Hofmann's rearrangement reaction. It says that when you have a primary amine, then you add an alkyl halide, you are going to generate an ammonium ion, and further addition of oxidation by silver oxide and heating will cleave off the tertiary amide portion so that we get an alkene as well as a tertiary amine. This alkene can undergo several reactions. Let's see ozonolysis. So ozonolysis of this alkene followed by hydrogenation, the catalyst will cleave off this double bond. So we get CH3 If it is a reduction, it means you're going to generate an aldehyde portion plus the other aldehyde portion, which is this. So basically, this is the basic principle of Hoffman's rearrangement reaction. It says that when you have a primary amine, then you add an alkyl halide, you're going to generate an ammonium ion. And this one, being an unstable compound, will undergo E2 elimination reaction when you add silver oxide and heating to generate an alkene and a tertiary amine. And this tertiary amine, so the alkene, can undergo several reactions, which includes oxidation by oxone. And this oxone can cleave the double bond and form aldehyde at this portion as well as this portion. So basically, this is all about Hoffman's rearrangement reaction. Kindly like and subscribe to the page as we drop new videos. Thank you.